Okay, it's a 1948 Bedford. It's original, restored original. The original 6-cylinder motor that's got about as much horsepower as a Victor lawnmower. No power steering, of course, so you're building your muscles up every time you drive it. We'll sit on about 80 kilometres an hour, but of course it's all in miles per hour. And yeah, I built, as you can see, a bar in the back of it here, just to make it that bit different. And yeah, just show it at a few car shows. Don't go too far in it, mostly on the Central Coast, because again, it's not exactly exciting on the freeway.